How to download activity messages on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download activity messages on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down and click this one, download your information, and then just click the select all and go down until you find activity messages. Click on it and go down, click create file, and after you click on it just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.